What you need to understand is that banks are currently using Ripple, but what's the reason why they would use it? Are we going to see more that decide to use it? And does this mean that they're using XRP currently and XRP has a major use case? Or does it mean that it has potential for use case? So I want to talk about this in this video because I alluded to this in my live stream. I went through a little bit of an article breaking some things down a little bit, but it kind of got cut up a little bit because, connection issues. I just realized that I did not have my Ethernet cable connected into my computer. I was wondering why I wasn't getting great connection. I wasn't able to render a lot of things. I wasn't able to upload faster. And it was because it was all functioning through Wi-Fi, which isn't bad, but it wasn't the best. It could have been way better. But that's neither here nor there. We're here to talk about Ripple and XRP and if this is going to have a major use case within here. So let's discuss it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Don't forget about my new credit card YouTube channel, which the link should be in the cards. It should also be in the description. And don't forget, you guys can get 12 free stocks with a link down below if you guys want to sign up for Webull. That's always, it's always a good thing to be able to get anything free, right? So let's talk about XRP. Let's talk about Ripple. When we think of the use cases for Ripple, majority of those use cases, the largest use case for Ripple for XRP is the use in banks, right? The fast transactions, just everything that XRP offers that you can, build around, everything that Ripple XRP offers that you can build around for financial institutions. It seems like something that would be easily transferable or easily movable in banks, and that's why that it has that larger than life feeling, being a part of these institutions, and being a part of there makes XRP a little bit stronger. If that makes sense to you guys, I'll explain. Now, if we go into a little bit of an update exactly where XRP is currently at 52 cents. Just to let you know, over the last 7 days, it's up about 6.5% at a $26 billion market cap, which I believe it can go a lot further than that, but we can explain and talk about that in a future video. But this is really the article that I went into, not that. This is the article that I went into. What are the advantages? Let's start with this. What are the advantages of XRP? Just to go down and list the titles, and then we'll go into why banks want to use it, and then we'll understand which banks are actually using XRP right now and what that means, or who's using Ripple XRP right now and what that means for XRP itself. So the advantages of Ripple XRP. Ripple XRP offers several benefits over traditional blockchain networks like Bitcoin, and here are some of the reasons why Ripple XRP is an excellent choice for a blockchain network. So we're just going to go through the subtitles here. Fast transaction speeds, that's something you see with a lot of things, but Ripple does have fast transaction speeds. Economical transaction cost, scalability, high uptime and low power consumption, which is huge for a lot of people that are, for the environment, which should be everybody. But why do banks opt for Ripple XRP? So the strengths of Ripple XRP align perfectly with the needs of the banking and fintech sectors. Here's why banks prefer this blockchain solution. So here's some of the pieces here. So facilitating cross-border transactions or payments, offering stable and secure back-end infrastructure, efficient liquidity management, industrial synergies, and now not only understanding what pieces would benefit banks, let's understand which banks are benefiting in which ways. So a closer look at which banks use Ripple XRP. So Bank of America currently uses Ripple XRP, the second largest bank in the US in terms of assets. Bank of America has partnered with Ripple for several years. Additionally, their collaboration has been instrumental in setting up RippleNet's compliance standards for international payments. Then you have PNC. PNC is in the US, joined Ripple in 2016 to improve its network speed. With 12 million users, the RippleNet service allows the bank to facilitate quick payments, so faster transactions for them. Siam Commercial, the first bank in Thailand, adopted Ripple in 2020 to launch its outward remittance services. Santander, you're seeing Santander has been using Ripple since 2018. This adoption enables them to launch the OneFX service, which facilitates cross-border payments. So that's a bigger piece to it, right? That cross-border payment piece between the US and EU customers. Standard Chartered Bank. So they partnered with them in 2016. This collaboration enables the bank to open payments to customers over 50 countries in its network. That's huge. And then a bank in Mexico partnered with them in 2017. I don't know how to say it. So partnered with them in 2017 as one of the earliest adopters of XRP's liquidity products like XRapid. This bank facilitates cross-border payments between Mexico and the US. So again, it's creating that use that we see within these. So industrial synergies, offering a stable and secure backend infrastructure, facilitating cross-border payments, fast transactions, picking up a lot of these transactions. It's something that banks can get a ton with, and they are offered in various banks. I think it's like 13 total or something like that. But you look at all the countries that it could be involved in for just using Ripple services. Now, what people get confused about this is the fact that this is not necessarily XRP that they are adopting. Right? This is not the use of XRP in all cases. This is the use of Ripple or the implementation of Ripple, right? Their payment option. And with that, a lot of these financial institutions are able to create their own CBDCs. And with these CBDCs, they have their own, movements and own transactions that they can facilitate with these. But to make more of a simple option or an easier option of communicating across a lot of these connected services or platforms, XRP is always there. So it's like you, being the best friend to a girl for your whole entire life, and you realize that you are connected in so many ways, and she's had boyfriends for all of her life, but then she realizes that you have always been there and you have that emotional connection, as well as a physical connection, right? That's what it's like, right? Where eventually they will end up with XRP. Eventually they will end up with that best friend that they've been with. I don't know if that scenario really works, but it seems like it does. So you really do have that connection, and it's just sitting there, XRP as the simple option to use if something fails with connection of various CBDCs. So it's super interesting to me to see how they're setting themselves up by just placing themselves there and using the system, but then make it super easy to use XRP and use that as a form of communication between various financial institutions, various countries. And it ends up making XRP worth a hell of a lot more. And I don't think people see this. Some people do. Well, a lot of people do. But then there's a lot of people that may be just getting into understanding XRP, and maybe now they finally see it after watching this video or watching maybe another video. But guys, let me know what you think about this. All of the banks that are using Ripple right now, XRP placing themselves firmly within the grasp of a lot of these financial institutions to utilize if something fails. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below and check out my credit card YouTube channel. But I'll get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.